Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome. And today, if you haven't read the title yet, today's video is going to be a little bit different. So, I love like the science behind pearls. Like I love that these like creatures in the ocean can just create like these beautiful objects. I don't know. I think I love the science behind it. I think it is so cool. That's why I'm so fascinated with pearls. Like I would love to learn more about them. And I know pearl farming is a thing. But I think it's just so cool and fascinating that this little creature can like create something so beautiful. I guess that is kind of how nature works, you know. But I just think it is the coolest thing. So, a while ago, I purchased this. It is a precious pearl lotus. So, what will your precious pearl reveal? And basically what it is you get oyster, or yeah, you'll get an oyster in here, and inside there is a pearl, and there are different colors. It looks like there's black, cream, peach, purple, and white, and you can put it into this little necklace. Now, if you don't know me in real life, I don't wear jewelry at all. I don't have earrings. I don't wear necklaces or rings or bracelets, nothing. I do not wear anything. But I thought this would be a cool little keepsake to keep somewhere and, you know, show off this little pearl that I'm about to unbox, I guess. I don't know. I seen some people like these kits. Some people actually enjoy them. Again, I don't really know much about the whole pearl thing. I just saw this kit and I thought it would be fun to try and do a little video of. I also saw some people complaining about the smell, so we'll see. So I'm gonna get set up. I think I'm gonna get some gloves, maybe like some plastic baggies to lay down just in case, maybe a face mask, a smell. I don't know. We'll see. And I might do it in the hallway. I don't know if I want my room to smell like fish. We'll see. So yeah, I do hope to get some sort of like colored one, either the black, peach, or purple. Because I feel like cream and white are like the most commons. I mean, with my luck, I'm probably just gonna get like the cream or white, but I do think it would be cool to get a colored one. The black would be the most like, just, I feel like, different pearl color, because when you think of pearls, you think of white, and I just think that'd be so cool. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm rambling. But, so yeah, I will be back. I'm gonna go set up and we'll see what happens. Okay, so here we are. We're in the hallway. Sorry if you hear any, like, music or whatever. People are playing music downstairs. So, I got my kit, I got my gloves, I got, like, a plastic bag, I got a trash bag and some napkins. So, I guess we're gonna finally open this. Alright, so finally got it open. Here we go. Instructions. Hello. Oh, it even comes with this thingy. It says each oyster contains one authentic pearl, guaranteed. And it comes with the little tool that you need. So we're gonna grab that. Oh wait, are there instructions? There are. All right, delicately open the tin, remove the oyster from the water, and open it with the tool included. Remove the pearl, wipe the pearl dry. Do not eat the oyster. Oh, wow, thanks. Do not drink the liquid inside. Oh, yeah, no, not gonna do that. All right. So let's get it open. Okay, we're gonna set that to the side. We're also going to set this to the side. We want this. Right, oh, and it gives us another little thingy. It looks like doesn't smell like anything, actually. It actually literally just smells like alcohol. Okay, and then it says delicately open. Guess we're just gonna do this. Oh, I think I got it. Yeah, it actually just smells like alcohol. It's not that bad. Did I get it? Open it? Maybe? I don't know. I'm struggling. I'm struggling. I'm glad I wore gloves. I don't know. Oh, did I get it now? Okay, what on now? I'm definitely doing something wrong here. Must I go around? Do I have to go around it? I don't know. I did, like twice. Oh, down here. Oh, jeez. I see it opening a little bit. I need help. I need any help. That maybe? Ay, I didn't think it would be this difficult to open. Oh wait, am I getting it? I don't know. I don't want to damage anything. It's just gonna watch me struggle. That's pretty much it. Yeah, okay, I was super scared of the smell, but it just smells like alcohol. Which they say that. They say that it's like in there contains alcohol. There'll be people cringing like, oh my god, you're gonna ruin it. Oh Jesus. Oh my god, I got it. Oh look! The pearl came out. Oh, I don't know if you saw that, but look, this is the pearl we got. Is that pink? That actually might be pink. That might be pink. I am a-okay with that. That is a-okay with me. Oh my god, it's squishy. Sorry, I've never opened something like this, so I am super freaking curious. Oh wow. Okay. Have you ever seen the inside of it? That's what it's like. The inside is very pretty looking. Oh my gosh, that is pretty. And she's gonna turn up the music. Okay then. Alright, well, I guess I better clean up. This is the pearl we got. It's so pretty. It's an oval. It's like an egg shape. It isn't even a circle. That's so cool. Oh my goodness. Okay, sorry about the singing. I'm gonna clean up and I'm gonna finish this up back inside. Okay, so I'm back with the pearl. I did rinse it in warm water and some Dawn dish soap just to get all the fluids off of it. And look, it's so pretty. I do think that this is the pink color. I would have to say this is the pink, because that's definitely not white, and it's definitely not cream. Like, I'd say that is pink. So that's so cool. I did at least get one of the pearl colors that I wanted. Alright, and then for this necklace thing. Oh yeah, oh my gosh, yeah. You just take it off and it literally just flips open. And then you can set your little pearl inside. You see it? I know, I'm sorry, I should have kept the camera angle the way it was before. But you put the pearl inside and then you close it. And then you just have, oh goodness, where is my camera? And then you just have your little pearl in there. It's gonna be blurry. either way, you have your little pearl in there. That is so cool. Okay, well, this was really, really fun. I really enjoyed this. And then you just thread it back on the chain. That was so much fun. I really enjoyed that. I don't know, just like what you gonna get kind of thing. That is really cool. All right. That was really, really neat. I'm gonna have to figure out a place to put this then. I don't know. Like maybe a box or something special. I don't know. That was super, super fun. Okay, well, dang, I might, oh no. I might want to get a couple more and see like what other kind, maybe if there's different types of them. Maybe I could get like a different color. Like I don't know. Are there blue pearls? I don't know. I'm sorry. I'm overthinking it. I'm going. Yeah, that's really awesome. Okay, I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna go. So I hope you all have a great day. Please like and subscribe if you want. And I will see you next time. Make sure you take care of yourselves, eat some good food, drink plenty of water, especially since it's getting warm out. Well, here it's getting warm out, so stay hydrated and get a good amount of sleep. And I will see you all later. So, bye!